So, good day everyone. Today I will be discussing rational fraction, case 3. Makaingon tawag case 3 when the denominator contains irreducible quadratic factors when it's repeated. So, the take note of this formula for the rational fraction case 3. So, my first example is the integral of x plus 2 over x squared plus 6x plus 13 dx. So, as you can see, the denominator cannot be factored, so this means it is case 3 because the denominator contains irreducible quadratic factors. So let's start. So the first step you will do is to apply the formula, which is this one. This is 2ax plus b plus ax squared plus small letter b x plus small letter c. So let's start. Is equals to a 2 x plus 6 plus b over x squared plus 6x plus 13. So mangita na ta sa value sa x and constant. So first is para makuha nato ang value sa a ug b. So sa x is ang iyang exponent is 2 and 1. 2 and 1. So nga b 2a and 1. So let's start. 2a is equals to 1, then equals a is equals to 1/2. Divide both sides by 2. Value sa a. So mangita ta sa value sa constant, which is the 6a plus b is equals to 2. Then substitute a by 1/2. 6 over 2 plus b is equals to 2. Then 2. Then 3 plus b is equals to 2. Balhin natong 3 diri. So, ma-negative 3 na ni. b is equals to negative 1. So, kay naa naman tayo value sa a ug b atong i-substitute using the first formula, which is kani. So, copy the equation. Plus 13 is equals to value sa a is gawas lang na natong constant daan 1/2 ang a. Copy the integral sign. 2x plus b or 2x plus 6 over x squared plus 6x plus 13. Then dx minus sa b dx over x squared plus 6x plus b. So the next thing is ato na siyang ikuan sa ato nang integrate. So ato din siya integrate sa katong du over u, which is ln the absolute value of u plus c. So ting ikuan quit diri 1/2 ln the absolute value of 2x plus 6x plus 13. Then diri kay di man siya pwede kay tulo man siya ka kuan niya dx ang igbaw. So mukuan ta sa formula na du over u is equals to du over u plus a squared is equals to 1a arctan u over a plus c. So ito na balance sa liyo guys ha. So the next step is atong come up na siya ginanin answer. 1/2 ln x squared plus 6 plus 13, then minus katong atong formula 1/2 arctan x ako ning 1 half arctan u over a plus c. So substitute lang nato 1 half arctan x plus 3 over 2 plus c. So we have a final answer. Thank you.